How to unblock people on Instagram. Hi guys, welcome back. Today I'm giving you a quick tutorial on how to unblock people on Instagram. So let's get started. If you have blocked someone on Instagram and now you want to unblock them, it's possible and we can do it very easily. Let me also give you an example how to block. So you can just open up a profile, click on these three dots and click on block. So let's block this user first. Alright, now they have been blocked. I will show you how to unblock someone on Instagram. Go to your profile right here. Click on these three lines at the top right corner. Go to settings. In settings, you have to go to privacy. In privacy, scroll down to connections right here. So you can see restricted accounts, muted account, and blocked accounts right here, the second option. Click on block account and it will show you all of the blocked accounts that you have. You can see this is the account that I just blocked. In order to unblock them, you will find this button right here which says unblock. Click on it, confirm, and that user will be unblocked from Instagram. Again, you are in your privacies. Click on blocked account. It will show you the list. Click on unblock, confirm, and this is how you can unblock someone on Instagram. I hope that I was a big help. Don't forget to give this video a big thumbs up, leave a comment down below, turn on bell notification, and subscribe to YouTube channel.